At the front screen for the Matrix 7XI, you're given three options: to either log in as a user, sign in as a guest, or register a new user. New users should register a new account, which allows them to save into their account history their Facebook login, their Twitter profile, MyFitnessPal, as well as look at their workout history and save their own playlist for on-demand TV and on-demand music video content. To register a new user, select Register, and the first option that will be brought to you will be to create a new XID. The XID is the login number that you are going to use as your new user. Most XIDs will be either your cell phone number or your birthday, some number that is a longer number that is easy to remember. Once you've created your new login, you'll need to enter a new email address that this will go to. From there, you'll be able to select your 4-digit passcode, which you'll use to log in the future on the 7XI. Once you've confirmed your passcode, you'll be able to move on and fill out personal information. It will provide you with a complete screen and tell you that you do accept the terms and conditions in order to log in and use your new XID. Now that you've signed in, you'll be able to go into the account manager and set your Facebook login or your Twitter login, as well as the MyFitnessPal login, and use all of the settings that are available and customizable in the 7XI. When you're using the 7XI screen, you'll see that it's presented with the app interface much like a smartphone or a tablet computer. The different apps offer a lot of different options for a user to enjoy while they're working out. You can have the option of music videos on demand provided by NetPulse. From this, you can select your genre and watch a selection of over 4,000 music videos. You can change your options as you go, and you can change your volume from the main screen as well. You touch the screen in order to zoom in or zoom out, and you can also set a personal playlist by selecting or removing the star from your icons. Now when you bring it back, you also have the option to do this with the on-demand TV option. Select your favorite TV shows, and you can start watching any new TV show that you'd like. TV shows will be updated overnight, so in many cases where we've got a contract with a specific TV show or license provider, you'll be able to watch yesterday's episodes the next day. There's also different YouTube channels as well as video game trailers, movie trailers, and a Sports Center app that provides just various options for your on-demand content. Leaving the on-demand side of things, you also have a social network aspect of this, which allows you to show your friends' posts on Facebook. Scrolling through is also an option. You can go from there, or it will auto-scroll your posts for you should you choose to. The same app works for Twitter as well. You can scroll through and see all of your different tweets that are coming through on your Twitter profile. The Profile app actually provides you with a small screen showing you what your workout is doing or going to do. It also shows you a map of your speed as you go with the blue line and your heart rate with red. So it gives you a full profile of the workout while simultaneously providing you with virtual active content. Now this virtual active content can be brought up into the full screen and the full HD screen that we have for users that just want to be able to look at something while they're running. And then you can also change between the different videos that you have as you go. And these are all different options that you have through the profile view, which makes it one of the more appealing options that we have. Now, from the featured content, this is actually loaded as soon as you log into the 7XI machine. And it gives you just a quick overview of what's new, what's different, and what's going on with the different on-demand options that we have. The simple view is very basic and used for anybody who just wants a quick, basic screen during their workout, and they can bring that back as well. Now, iPod and Media will both allow you to function with either your iPod using the 30-pin connector or your Android smartphone using the USB connector that's provided on the console. Any mass data storage you have of music videos or music at all, that will all be available for you to control directly from the 7XI screen. The TV app is very simple. That will be the same TV channels that you've run. And the weather app, actually based on your home city that you've selected, lets you select or lets you view the weather forecast for the coming week, as well as looking at current settings, radar settings, and set any weather alerts that might be occurring in your area. The YouTube app is specific to YouTube. Now, there's no searchability in the YouTube app. We actually provide a lot of different channels and categories that you can select from in order to enjoy different music or different trending videos that are current on YouTube at the time. Using asset management, a facility has the ability to set up their facility calendar, providing their users with information regarding promotions that are being run, classes that are being offered in the facility, workout schedules, and any upcoming events that are available. Using the facility calendar, all of this information can be uploaded into asset management and brought right down to your 7XI screens. This is a great tool for your users to be able to see and keep in touch with what is going on in your facility without having to look far for the information. Now, the last few apps that you have is in any normal workout, you're able to switch the workout in the middle of the workout from a 5K to a rolling hills to a manual, so in case you have a different idea of what you want to use. The MyFitnessPal app actually also allows you to record your workouts and upload directly to the MyFitnessPal system for any user that has the MyFitnessPal app already. The Account Manager view is available by pressing your icon in the top corner. Now, this gives me my username as well as the home workout that I have. It also provides me with the last workout that I've performed in a large screen here with the calories and everything that I've looked at to see my quick history. Using the account management option, I can choose to activate or deactivate Facebook, Twitter, or the MyFitnessPal, which will link directly into your accounts. This is very helpful, so that way you can log in once, and then every time you log in your user after that, you do not need to sign into Facebook again and again. It will automatically do it for you. To see a more in-depth workout history, go to the full workout history option that you have. And then to check your different possibilities, you can use the application management to select whether you want to use your Facebook picture or your Twitter picture as your identification on the main screen. Once your workout is complete, you'll have the workout summary screen presented to you, and users now have the option to share their workout using the social network post and send their information to either their Facebook wall or their Twitter profile. It just depends on what you have logged in on your account management. To do so, select the Facebook option or Twitter option next to share, and then it will provide text of everything that will be posted on your wall, and you can choose to select yes or no to share this to your Facebook or Twitter profiles.